Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a close look at the umbrella puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Tamas Vanya from Hungary and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic. The umbrella puzzle was made using two different types of wood, American walnut and ash. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all pieces into the box so that no holes shown. As you can see right now, the puzzle is assembled, and to start solving it you have to remove all the parts, and you will find that this puzzle has 7 parts. And there are two types of pieces here. The first one is a letter L-shaped piece, and the second one is also letter L-shaped piece, but they are a little bit different, since each piece has a part that moves and it changes the shape of the part. So it is a L-shaped piece with a part that faces to the left or to the right. So it changes quite a lot when you solve it. And the other one is very similar. You shift the middle piece and it changes the shape from like a fat letter L or maybe a small letter B to another kind of a shape. And that makes it quite interesting puzzle, since you have to find the correct shapes of pieces in order to fit all of them inside the box. It's not a difficult puzzle, and you can find more than one solution and more than even 5 solutions, but it is a very pleasant puzzle to solve, not too difficult, but a nice coffee table puzzle that you can solve again and again and again, and each time you will find a different solution. Also, just a very beautiful puzzle from Pelikan, as always. If you like the umbrella puzzle and you want to have it in your collection and you want to try to solve it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.